Learning programming in 2026 can feel overwhelming. There are too many languages, too many tutorials, AI tools writing code for you, and everyone online promising you can learn to become a software developer in just 30 days. So the real question is not can you learn programming, but it is what is the best approach to learning programming in 2026 without burning out or wasting years. My name is Yomi. I'm a software engineer with over a decade of experience. In this video, I will walk you through a future-proof approach that works whether you're a complete beginner, self-taught, or switching career, no matter what your end goal is. First, thinking comes before languages. One of the mistakes people make is starting with this question: what programming language should I learn? In 2026, programming language change fast, but how computer thinks does not. Before syntax, before framework, before tools, learn the fundamentals. You must learn how to think like a programmer. That means learning how to break problems into small steps, using logic and conditions, repeat actions using loops, understand how data is stored and manipulated. This way of thinking is called computational thinking. And here is the key idea. If you understand this well, learning any programming language later becomes dramatically easier. Second is pick one programming language and dive deep. Once you understand programming logic, the next step is simple. Pick one programming language and commit to it. The best programming language to start with is not the one that with the most hype. They are the ones with strong community and learning resource. What matters most is not which programming language you choose. What matters is depth. Focus on mastering variable and data type, functions, loops and condition, basic data structure like list and dictionary. Depth build confidence, and confidence build momentum. Jumping between programming languages early only slows you down. And the third step is learn by building small projects. Watching tutorial alone will not make you a programmer. You become a programmer by building things, especially things that break. Start with small real projects, a simple calculator, a to-do list, a personal website, a small automation script. Projects force you to debug error, read documentation, think independently, and solve the problem. Portfolios matter more than certificates. Every project, no matter how small, is proof that you are growing. And learn the tools real developer use. Programming today is not just about writing code. You must learn the tools professionals use daily. The code editor and ID, version control with Git, how to read error messages, how to search for solution effectively, and so on. Version control is not negotiable. It teaches discipline, collaboration, and how real-world software is built. Use the right AI tool. Let's talk about AI. AI tools are everywhere. They can write code, explain error, generate example, and speed up learning. This is powerful, but also dangerous if used wrongly. The best developers use AI as a tutor, a debugging assistant, a learning accelerator, but not as replacement for understanding. If AI thinks for you, you don't grow. If AI helps you to understand why something works, you grow faster. And 6 is consistency beats talent. Most people don't fail at programming because it's hard. They fail because they stop. The most effective strategy is simple. Practice a little every day. So set small and clear goal. Track your progress. Even 30 minutes a day compound massively over time. Programming reward consistency more than brilliancy. And 7 is develop a long-time mindset. Programming is no longer a one-time skill. It is a lifelong learning discipline. Framework changes, tools evolve, AI advances, but programmers who understand fundamentals and know how to learn will always remain relevant. The most valuable developers are not the ones who knows the best tools. They are the ones who adapt the fastest. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.